When you opt to make your own natural facial toners at home, you avoid the risks of any allergies and side effects caused by synthetic and artificial ingredients that alter the pH balance of your skin. Today's video will discuss 5 homemade facial toners to get your skin in great condition. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Today there are many things that can negatively affect the appearance and health of the skin: having a poor diet, air pollution, excessive exposure to the sun, dehydration, commercial cosmetic products, and more. 1. Carrots. If you want to go out in the sun to get a little color the healthy way, you can use this toner made with carrots, which will help protect your skin from damaging UV rays while giving you beta-carotene to provide a more flattering and homogeneous skin tone. It's best to consider carrots as a double treatment, both internally and externally. Every morning before breakfast, you should enjoy a carrot smoothie and apply some of that same juice to your skin. 2. Cucumber and lemon. This 100% natural homemade toner is ideal for combined oral and topical treatment, which will result in getting the maximum benefits. Blend a medium-sized cucumber with half a lemon. Avoid peeling either if they're organic. Cucumber, which has a high water content, is very refreshing and also cleans and soothes the skin of the face. Lemon is a great natural cleanser, ideal for people suffering from acne, dark spots, or blemishes. 3. Apple cider vinegar. This simple toner is a secret that some women have been using for decades. Vinegar is an acidic ingredient, and the skin of your face also has a slightly acidic pH. You must retain that acidity if you want to prevent dry or lifeless looking skin. Preparation. 1. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 4 parts water. 2. The vinegar smell will dissipate after a few minutes. 4. Rose water. Rose water is the distilled liquid that's extracted from the petals of the flower. Its aroma is intoxicating, very romantic, and feminine. It also happens to provide firmness and vitality to your skin. 5. Rosemary. Toner made from rosemary is an ancient beauty remedy because this medicinal plant helps improve circulation and the appearance of the skin. You can prepare it in 2 different ways. Chop some fresh rosemary and mix it with equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Mix 2 teaspoons of water with 15 drops of rosemary essential oil. Which method do you like for your skin? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.